If you want to control your density or hair, you can go, for example, in a hair count, or go into the density in the material editor and control that. In the density, if you activate the density 100%, it means exact number that you type here. If you increase that, you can see it's increased the number of the hair. We have less, and we have 100% number that's here. We can see this. Density levels is control the texture that you assign here. The most important thing and the duty of the density is control the density of the hair across the texture. For example, if you assign turn it up, it's if you assign something like this, if you assign a texture like, again, noise, go into the noise and make sure that you're on a 2D UV, make it mode contrast. I love some of this cell. Make it global higher, and you can see we have black, gray, and the white code. The black code means we don't have any hair in there. In a white code, we have 100% of density, and the gray is in between them. Density level, if it's very easy. If you have a lower number, we have more contrast. You can see we have more contrast between the empty area and full area, and we don't have interpolation between them. But if you make it the number higher, now you can see it's now calculate the gray part. Again, level number, for example, 5. You can see we have more sharp at the edges, but if you come back to a higher number, now we have interpolation between the grays because of this noise. So we have a small gray between them. So we control that. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.